The Strategy Division in the Air Operations Center allows you to get guidance and assessment relative to the current campaign and to do campaign planning and apportionment. If you click on the button View Campaign Guidance, it brings up a PDF file associated with the scenario. In this file, it gives you objectives and guidance relative to the various aspects of ATO planning. You may wish to print this out and then refer to it as you do the operations associated with your planning. If you click on the button View Campaign Assessment, it'll bring up the assessment dialog. This dialog gives you a weather report for the next day that you can use in your planning. Plus, for both friendly and enemy, it gives you totals for aircraft and the status of sites. You can scroll through this information and see, for example, totals of known enemy aircraft and the status of known enemy sites, and use this for your planning. If you click on the button View Modify Campaign Planning, it brings up the Campaign Planning dialog. This gives you information relative to enemy aircraft, air defense, ships, targets, Army units, and networks. For example, here, under Enemy Air Superiority Aircraft, it tells you that the current estimate is between 26 and 32 aircraft. You can then type in a goal which represents what you want to achieve in this phase of the campaign. If your campaign occurs over multiple iterations and several days, you can return to this planning dialog and see your progress in achieving that goal for the current phase of the campaign. Finally then, if you click on the View Modify Asset Apportionment button, it brings up the apportionment dialog. This dialog allows you to enter apportionments relative to the functions that you see on the left-hand side. Your campaign guidance has identified percentages of assets associated with each function. So in this dialog, you go through the various functions, entering the values as given to you in the guidance. When you're done, the total should be 100%, and this represents the apportionment that you're striving for in your campaign planning.